morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday, because it's Tuesday and I didn't get a chance to film yesterday because it was raining, so it was so dark outside. All the street lights and everything were still on, and so I never got a chance to film. But today is a beautiful blue skies and it's sunny, so I can film because there's better light. And I was going to do a plan with me chit chat this week, but it just didn't happen. Like with the holidays coming up, everything is so crazy right now, so I didn't get a chance to do it this time. Hopefully I can get one done for next weekend, but I will be out of town with my family, so I may also not have time to do it. But the one after that will be, actually there may not be a chit chat next week at all because we don't have any new releases next week. So yeah, I think that's it. But I'll show you guys what's coming out this week. I kind of already showed you guys this last week, so I'll keep it quick. But I will say we will have a new Girl on the Go kit coming out with the painter type artwork from TWG Designs, which I really love. I purchased that a while ago and I've seen so many people come out with kits with it, so I decided to just do a Girl on the Go kit because everyone else already has like all the other formats covered, I feel like. So I'm just gonna do a Girl on the Go kit with it. It was just too beautiful to pass up, so I just could not resist. Oh, we will also have hopefully new printables on Saturday because that is my goal this week, to get the printables designed. But we will definitely be having a printable sale on Saturday. So on my website, jessicahearts.com, we do have a section for printables under planner stickers. That's like the first one under planner stickers, is printable kits. So we will be having a sale on all of those. I haven't decided the discount yet, probably like 25% off or something. So it'll be a great time to stock up on those. And we also have some Christmas kits still in there. So if you're looking for something for next week, since it is a printable, you can print it out at home instantly and you'll be set. So those are the new releases, I think. So we have the Girl on the Go kit, and I am going to actually try to do another script like foil text sheet, which for a school one, because that has been my most requested like script ones. We have the work. Oh, also, so if I do that, which I probably will, I'm going to be adding 2 new foil colors. This is the pink and silver. So this is our work ones. So just imagine this with like different school related things. I haven't figured out exactly what words I'm going to use that yet. I think I'm going to do like class or school, maybe like exam. By the time you guys probably are able to see this, I probably have them designed. I'm working on this morning, but I may not. So, but definitely leave requests down below if you have any requests for these like script texts. They have to be a little bit short because they have to fit in like this section right here. So they do have to be pretty like short words, kind of like 4 or 5 letters or less. So that's kind of been my like struggle with it, because I want to do like homework and things, but I think I'll do like class or exam, test, paper, those types of things. But yeah, so we'll have those in. Yes, our current foil colors, we have our gold, rose gold, and this like hollow iridescent pretty gorgeousness. And then this Friday I'll be adding pink and silver, and these I think, I don't know if I'm gonna go back and add them to the old listings, like add them to like the work listings and everything. I feel like I should, so I think I might, but they will definitely be up for the new ones, for school ones. I think I'll add them probably to like just the foil overlays, like maybe the icons too, you know, just these like individual sheets. So yeah, so I'll have these up, and I also want to design new colorways for this, for the blank text sheets. And so here are the blush ones we have right now, which I love. They're very versatile because I feel like there's so many pink spreads, especially coming up with like Valentine's Day. But I'd love to design a bunch of new colors. Like, I'm really excited for it. So I think I'll have some of those up this week as well, along with the school text and then the Girl on the Go kit. And then these fun new items, which are, I showed you guys these last week, these gorgeous like matte pens. They are like the matte textured outside, and then they're just black felt tip. I believe they're black. Yeah, black felt tip. They're 0.7 millimeters point size, bleed resistant ink, smooth and consistent ink flow. I'm just reading the back of this. Bold lay down. I don't really know what that means. I think like it writes boldly kind of thing. I love these pens. I have a bunch of them. They're from U Brands. So I have a bunch of different ones here in my office that I use all the time and I love. I think we actually still, I don't know if we still have some in the shop. I have so many cute ones. I've used them before in past like boxes. You guys seem to love them. But yeah, so I'm gonna be selling these as a set of 3. You just buy all of them in one go. I only have a handful of these, so definitely be sure to pick these up on Friday if you want them, because I think I went over this last week. I probably won't be restocking them unless I can get my hands on more of them. But because I don't make these myself, like in-house, they're like, I purchased them through someone else that makes them. U Brands. You guys know U Brands. They're in like Target and stuff. So, and this is kind of like a limited collection. It's the Flurry. I don't know how to say that. So, I may not be able to purchase more of them if they're no longer selling them on their wholesale site. So it just kind of depends. Sometimes things sell out pretty quickly on there. And then we have the gorgeous notebook. I showed you guys this last week. It's the spiral hardbound one. This is the one with all the florals on it. It's just stunning. And it looks like this inside, in case you missed my video last week with the date and like the lines. Sorry, I kind of like got attacked by my, more like I accidentally attacked my cellophane, my cellophane wrap thing. You know how they always have like this serrated edge on like cellophane and parchment paper and foil? I just accidentally just like went in there and just got nuts. I don't know. I honestly don't know what happened, but it's kind of painful. So, and then we have the velvet notebooks. So we have the gorgeous like mauve-y pink notebook velvet. Oh, so pretty. And then we have the stunning, gorgeous like dark burgundy purple. It's like a dark red burgundy. It's like a burgundy. And then we have the gorgeous, this one doesn't, oh yeah, okay, you can kind of see it there. It's this gorgeous like forest green color. It's definitely more green than it is blue. So it kind of looks a little bit blue there, but it's definitely more of like a dark forest green, which is just so gorgeous. These honestly would be really cute for like Valentine's Day gifts too. If you're looking for someone to give something kind of fun to, like a friend or coworker, or fellow like planner girl, I think these like, especially these colors, would be so cute for Valentine's Day. So yeah, so all of these will be up in the shop on Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, along with the Girl on the Go kit and some the new school foil scripts and new blank thingies, new colors. You know what I mean, and the new foil colors. So I think that is it for this week. I still need to do like a newsletter and stuff, so I have a lot of work to do this morning. And I think that's everything I had to tell you guys. Our Etsy closed yesterday for the holidays. It'll be open January 4th. And I extended the processing time on our website to 2 to 3 weeks. So if you do order these, there is a 2 to 3 week processing time. But I will be back from our like family trip on the 26th. So I'll be able to come back into the office on the 27th. And so I'm working on getting orders out then. So keep that in mind. They definitely will not ship before the 27th if you're gonna purchase this weekend. I'm working on getting all the orders that came in last Friday and last weekend out this week. That's my main goal this week. I'm just gonna try to get all of those out, and I should be able to, but I don't know for sure. My goal is to as quickly as possible, and then yeah, but if you order Friday and after that, it won't be able to ship until at least the 27th. So yeah, which is kind of standard anyways. I feel like a lot of places aren't going to be, like online stores aren't going to be shipping over the holidays. So yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye!